just looks amazing. Like the bottom of it's just like.
It's got some like air to it as well.
Definitely.
Big reveal.
Cheese.
I said pepperoni. That's fine.
Well, that's already like a mark off for Papa John's.
That's one of the great things about
Great.
Domino's. Like
Cheers.
Cheers.
What do you want, pepperoni or cheese?
I want cheese now.
Cheese now? Can I get just one cheese? Thank you. Hey everybody, welcome back to another episode of Class Cancelled. I'm your host, Peyton Burkhammer.
And I'm your other host, Hayden Burkholder. And today we're gonna have some Student Union pizza.
Honestly, what is the college experience without a ton of pizza?
I don't think it could exist. I mean, it's so convenient, it's quick.
Yeah.
I mean, look at this thing. It's perfect. It's got a bunch of different food groups,
Yeah.
and it kind of combines them all together.
Yeah, if you're stranded on an island, you're like, I can only eat one thing for the rest of my life. Pizza, boom.
Yeah, for sure.
But this pizza that we got from the Union for the both of us is a personal pizza, and it's a little bit small.
I don't think that's gonna be enough for the both of us.
I don't think so.
We should probably get some more pizza.
You think so?
Yeah. Do you want to get some more here, or do you want to go somewhere else?
No, I think we should go somewhere else. I don't know.
Yeah, switch it up. I mean, where do you want to go though? There's like Pavona's, Domino's, Giannino's, Euro Gyro. They're all pretty close.
Okay, I've only been to a quarter of those places, so we'll have to decide.
I'm not very good at deciding, so we got to figure out what has the best pizza.
We should really just try everything.
All right, let's do it.
Yeah, I'm Sully Mickey, and I'm the head cook at Pavona's, which is my family's restaurant. This is a restaurant that my parents and I and my siblings have all built. Everything from the restaurant itself to all the recipes and all that.
So why pizza?
Well, we're all Irish, but he had an uncle he grew up with who was Italian, and that's where he got a lot of his cooking background from. So he figured he'd bring it to Akron.
And that's who you learned from too?
Yeah.
What all goes into this recipe making and this cooking and like new ideas being thrown around?
It's a lot of different stuff. Just us messing around, cooking for ourselves and the family, and we both still do construction and travel around quite a bit for it, and kind of just get inspired from the different places we go and food we try.
So I'm curious, after working here for so long, what's your favorite thing on the menu?
My favorite thing is probably still just the pepperoni pizza, honestly. Just keeps it simple, and our pepperoni is phenomenal. So that's still probably my favorite.
Simple, classic, love it. All right,
Yeah.
well, I'm super excited to try this pizza. So I can't even help myself, and I'm already starting off with the pepperoni.
That is a wonderful idea.
Yeah.
This looks delicious.
It looks amazing so far.
Like,
Oh my gosh, it's
the-
so good already.
The way the pepperonis are like crisp right on the edges, like you can tell it's
100%.
good.
It's a little spicy, it's really good. The crust of this just looks amazing. Like the bottom of it's just like, yeah.
It seems like it's got some like air to it as well.
Definitely.
Like, ooh, look at that cheese. I mean, there's like crust. That's
Crust,
important.
100%.
We've already covered that a little bit.
Dough, is it sweet? Is it more savory? Is it crispy? Is it fluffy? Are there bubbles? All this different stuff that goes into it. Sauce.
Sauce
Yeah.
is important.
Again,
yeah.
that can be sweet or really tomatoey or
Also,
too thick or too thin.
How
It
much
just
you put
depends.
on,
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then obviously cheese.
Think
Do you want a
so.
napkin?
Yes, please.
Okay.
We take one bite and then comment after.
Okay.
That's not if we can stop eating.
All right. Okay. You ready?
Yep.
Okay. Initial thoughts.
Well, first of all, amazing. Second of all, like the cheese is like the perfect contrast of like not being like too stringy, but also like there's a little bit of pull too when you take a
Yeah.
bite. Which I mean, it makes sense. They said they get all their ingredients local.
Yeah, locally, and they make them fresh every day.
Yeah, so it's not like someone's been storing this, you know, in a freezer for 2 years.
Is that what you think they do?
I don't know what they do.
So I just took a crust bite. Super crispy, really good. But yet the inside of it is like thick enough and also really doughy at the same time too. So it's like a nice combination. I guess the only thing is I like really, really thin crust pizza.
You like thin crust?
Really thin crust, yeah.
So it's just good for you then?
To me, it could be a little bit thinner, but I still really like it. Yeah, I don't know. I'm telling you, like really thin crust.
This is thinner than I'm used to, but it's great. It's like, it's airy, it's nice. You get to focus more on like the flavor when you take a bite and not like chewing through the bread essentially.
Yeah. So on a scale of 1 to 5, crust.
Oh, without doubt, 5.
5?
No, like I said, it's optimal. Like with the ingredients they
Yeah.
have on, like I don't think I'd want it any thicker or any thinner.
No, okay.
So how about you? What's your rating?
I know this is just personal preference, but 4.
That's
I still
okay.
really like it.
No, yeah, I mean 4 is a great
100%.
rating.
Yeah. Sauce.
Sauce? I'll give that a 4.
Oh, see, that's 5 for me.
Really?
Yes.
Yeah,
No,
yeah.
I really liked it. That was, I don't know, that's just like
No.
my favorite part. It's just so fresh tasting.
It's very good.
And it doesn't taste like, I mean, it almost tastes like sort of like margarita pizza fresh, you know what I mean?
Yeah, exactly.
I don't know.
It's like a lighter.
It
like
is
sauce.
lighter, yeah. It's not super thick, not super heavy. You can tell it's not a bunch of random ingredients and spices and stuff. It's just like fresh, natural tomatoes.
I don't want to take another bite.
Okay, sorry.
All right.
So, cheese then. Last one.
I have to go with another 4.
Yeah?
Solid all the way across the board.
Yeah.
How about you? What do you think? What do you think for?
I think cheese 4 as well, yeah.
Yeah, it's overall. I mean, what's that rating come out to?
Okay.
2 4s and a 5. That's like 4.3 total. That's pretty good.
Yeah.
So yeah, scale of 1 to 5, 4.3. Total conglomerate of pizza. Delicious.
The whole package right here.
Yeah, let's hurry up and finish this. 'Cause I think we still have some more pizza to try. You want to go back to Spicer?
Definitely, let's go.
All right. Hey everybody, we just got back to the dorms. We just had a great meal at Pavona's.
Yes, it was awesome.
Yeah, so now we got to try some more pizza in the local Akron area.
I know, really get that like college experience, getting pizza delivered directly to your dorm.
Yeah, so what comes to mind for me is Domino's for sure.
Domino's. Really, the first thing for me was Gyro.
I've never had it, but I've heard it's good.
Okay, well, we should call them up.
Yep, sounds good.
Thanks for holding. We'll be with you as soon as possible. Domino's also offers mouth-watering pasta. Try...
Market Domino's. My name is Jason. How can I help you?
Hi Jason, I'd like to order a small pepperoni pizza for delivery.
Okay. And what's the address?
It's the Spicer dorm. I don't know if you guys have that. I don't know the exact address off the top of my head actually.
Okay, not a problem.
Okay, so I'm gonna call Euro.
That'll be alright.
Here, Gyro, please hold.
Please stay on the line. We'll be back in a moment.
2 hours later.
Yeah.
Okay, so me and Hayden are gonna have a number war right now. Okay, so call him right now and see who answers first. I'll take him off speaker. I got put on hold again.
Thanks for choosing Papa John's Pizza. For a limited time, get a large double cheeseburger pizza for only $11 each. Or we have 2 large 2-topping pizzas for $22.
Or try one of our 5 new Papa sandwiches for only $6.99 each.
The
A Papa
voice
John's
change.
team member will take your order shortly. Or go to papajohns.com and check our great
I don't like how they don't have
special
cool
offers.
music like mine.
Just wait.
The address?
290 Vine Street. It's the Spicer dorm.
Sorry, you cut out again. What is it?
290 Vine Street. It's the Spicer dorm.
Hey, what can I get for you?
A small pepperoni pizza. And that's it. Hello? Oh, awesome. Yeah, I'll walk out right now and come get the pizza. Thank you. All right, thanks.
So I am still on hold with Eurogyro, and I just think it is time to give up. But that's kind of the nice thing about things like eating pizza at the Union. I mean, it's always going to be there. It's always going to be ready. It's just something like nice and on campus at least. So that's pretty good.
I know. Got it.
In your honest opinion, which one do you think is going to be the best?
Well, we've already had Pavonas, so without a doubt. Or are you talking about the ones we've already?
From the dorm.
Oh, so from the dorm, I've always been like a fan of Domino's, so I think that's gonna be the best. But I don't know. We'll see. I've never had them like one after the other, so it's kind of hard for me to compare. I don't have pizza every day, so it's difficult. But I would say my favorite pizza is Domino's, but it might change. Who knows?
You don't have pizza every day?
No, I don't have pizza every day.
What college student are you?
Not a very good one, apparently. Guess what I got?
Nice.
It's here. I'm so excited. All right, you ready to look at this?
Yeah.
Ooh.
It's cute.
It is. It's a nice pizza.
I think it's funny kind of how like our Union pizza was this big and this pizza's this big and then the Pavona's pizza is that big. They just keep increasing in size.
Yeah. It was like, oof.
Yeah.
Here we are. So, should we just go ahead and try this now?
Yeah, I mean, let's go for it.
Yeah. Let's eat it while it's warm. While it's hot, I think as they say.
I'm gonna grab this one, opposite towards you. Already can tell that this is very garlicky.
Yes.
I mean, it's kind of getting on my fingers a little bit.
Well, that's one of the great things about
Right.
Domino's. Like
Cheers.
Cheers.
It's crispier than I expected.
One of the reasons I love Domino's. It's like nothing to look at, but it's got good flavor. I mean, you compare that to
Does that
Pavona's.
remind you of yourself?
Sad boy hours, yes. Yes, it does.
Mm-hmm.
No, I'm just kidding. But no, it's great though.
Bread. How are we feeling?
I'm gonna rate the bread. I'm gonna give it a 3. I think it's a solid 3. About right in the middle of the road.
I pretty much agree with that, but the crust is really good.
Oh yeah, the garlic
Like the garlic, yeah, the butter, it's really, really nice.
with the sauce. What would be your rating? I'm thinking for mine. I think the sauce is good. I don't know. I might have to go with 3 on this one as well. You don't think so? 2?
2. I don't know it.
I wish I had more sauce because then I could get a better flavor of it.
Yeah.
But yeah, I'm thinking I'm gonna stick with that. I'm gonna stick with 3 right here in the middle of the road. Cheese? Let me take another bite. I need to know.
Yeah. I think it's really good. I don't know. I like the cheese a lot.
I think we might flip-flop on this one. I
Really?
think I'm gonna have to go with the 2.
Really?
I mean, it's
I almost say 4 for this.
really.
I like it. Okay, so overall for me, it's 4, 7, 9.
Adding them all up. Yeah. So then mine would be
Mine's 9 out of 15. Oh, that sounds so much worse when I say it out loud.
Oh, 9 out of 15. That's not bad though. I mean,
if you took a test, and it was
Yeah.
a 9 out of 15. Do you think that's pretty good?
depends on the class. So I guess that would leave this an 8 out of 15.
Wow.
He said it's extremely hot, so we might have to wait on this one. Yeah, people out there doing laundry. Oh, work hammer. He said it just came out.
We got the second pizza! Yay! We're going back with it now.
He said it's extremely hot, so we might have to wait. He said it just
This
came out.
pizza is extremely hot. Do not eat this for several hours.
I don't know about several hours. We
Several
don't-
hours! Do not eat it!
Well, we're gonna eat it, even though it is warm. The big reveal.
Cheese.
I said pepperoni. That's fine.
Big difference you could tell right away. Crust.
Crust, without a doubt.
100%. And the way that they cut this, I mean, this slice of pizza is kind of a joke. So what if you were home? It's been a really long day.
Okay.
And you're like, oh man, I'm so hungry. And like your roommates, they're like, hey Peyton, like, hey Hayden, we got a pizza.
Yeah.
Oh, there's a slice left in there.
And it's
If you
that.
want one. And then you open the whole pizza.
And it's that
And
slice.
this is the only thing left. But you know what? Is this garlic sauce free with it?
Yeah.
That's kind of nice.
Yeah.
Like they give you this stupid banana pepper,
Hey,
but
that's
like the garlic.
delicious. I'll eat that whole thing right now.
Ew, really?
Yeah, it's good.
Okay, do
It's
it.
good stuff. Do it.
Yeah.
Banana peppers are so bad.
One time I ordered a pizza from Papa John's.
Yeah.
Not trying to slam on him.
Yeah.
But it was a large pepperoni pizza,
Mm-hmm.
and I got home, opened it up. The pizza wasn't cut at all. It was just one giant saucer.
That's not that weird. I mean,
I mean, it's this is a better job than that.
you think
They're
so?
improving.
Okay.
They're improving.
I suppose
It's a redemption
if I really
story.
thought about it, looks so tiny.
We're gonna try
This
it.
is so fun. It's so
You're
tiny.
dipping it in?
Yeah, a little bit of garlic. Hold on. Okay.
Okay.
Cheers.
Thank you. Give me some garlic.
Yeah.
Biggest difference besides the crust, sauce.
Really?
I think this sauce is much sweeter than the Domino sauce.
Yeah. I don't think any of them have been this sweet tasting.
No,
Like
no.
there's a lot of sugar in this pizza, you can tell.
Yeah. It's more airy than the Domino's.
Yeah. The crust is really good. I mean, even though it doesn't have the like garlic flavor, like just the dough taste is like really nice. I don't know.
I'm gonna try it with the garlic sauce.
I'd probably give dough for this. What do you think? 4 or 5? I really like it.
They're gonna go to 5.
Okay, 4.
I would say 4.
4? Okay, we're in agreement on that. What about sauce? I know you like this more.
Yeah, I would honestly almost go like 4 with this one.
4, really?
3 or 4.
That's what I give Pavona's, I think. No, I think I gave their sauce a 5, actually. Like, I really like their sauce.
Yeah.
This one, I don't like it. I don't like it being so sweet.
Okay.
So probably a 3 for me, honestly, for sauce. So cheese, what do you think?
Cheese. I'm gonna give it a 3. I think it's slightly better. It does have that more pull to it, which is what I like in cheese.
It's the same level for me, so probably a 3 as well, actually.
Okay. So let's add that up.
I feel like,
Like
yeah.
a 3,
I really like the dough on this.
3 and 4. It's a 10. 10 out of 15.
Nice 10. Okay, what's mine?
Yours
forgot.
was you said a 4 for the dough, 3 for the sauce,
3 for cheese.
and 3 for cheese. So 10. Solid 10.
Whoa, look at us. Okay. So actually, for all the rankings of all the pizza, it goes Domino's, Papa John's, Pavona's.
Yes. Which is weird because if you asked me yesterday, what kind of pizza do you want to get? I would have said Domino's. I've never tried them side by side like this.
Yeah.
So now I think I'm going to have to start changing my order. All right, that was some great pizza, Peyton.
Yes, thanks again, guys, for watching. Be sure to follow Class Cancelled on Twitter and subscribe to our YouTube channel at the University of Akron. I'm Peyton Burkhammer.
And I'm Hayden Burkholder, and we'll see you next time that class is canceled.
Bye.
Perfect.